Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. The world of woodworking offers endless possibilities, allowing crafters to transform simple pieces of wood into stunning decorative items that enhance any space. This narrative will delve into the process of crafting, the types of projects that are both accessible and rewarding, and the personal satisfaction derived from creating handmade decor. When embarking on handmade wooden craft projects, it's essential to start with an understanding of the materials at hand. Wood, in its various forms, is a versatile medium that carries its own unique characteristics. Softwoods like pine, cedar, and fir are often favored for beginners due to their workability and affordability. Hardwoods, such as oak, maple, and cherry, are typically more durable and can provide a more polished finish, making them suitable for decorative pieces that will be displayed prominently. Selecting the right type of wood for your project can greatly influence the final outcome, both in terms of appearance and functionality. The process of working with wood begins with conceptualization. Visualizing the final product is crucial. It sets the stage for the crafting process. Imagine a cozy living room adorned with handmade decor, perhaps a rustic wooden picture frame that showcases cherished memories, or a set of minimalist wooden coasters that serve as functional art. The beauty of woodworking lies in its ability to combine practicality with artistic expression. Each piece can be tailored to fit personal tastes and the specific decor style of a home, whether that be modern, farmhouse, or bohemian. Once you have a vision in mind, sketching your ideas can help clarify the design. This doesn't require advanced drafting skills, simple drawings can suffice. Consider the dimensions, shapes, and any additional elements you'd like to incorporate, such as paint, stains, or embellishments. For instance, envisioning a wooden wall hanging can involve deciding on the overall shape, the arrangement of individual components, and how it will interact with the surrounding decor. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of easy handmade wooden craft projects for decor ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As you prepare to bring your ideas to life, gathering the right tools is essential. Basic woodworking tools such as a saw, drill, sander, and paintbrush are often sufficient for many projects. A handsaw or jigsaw can help you cut wood into desired shapes, while a drill allows for creating holes for hanging or assembling pieces. Sanding is a critical step that ensures a smooth surface, eliminating rough edges and splinters. Taking the time to properly sand your project can significantly enhance its appearance and safety. One of the joys of woodworking is the ability to experiment with different techniques and finishes. For example, after crafting a simple wooden shelf, you might consider staining it to bring out the natural grain of the wood or painting it in a color that complements your existing decor. Techniques such as distressing can add a vintage feel to a piece, giving it character and depth. The choice of finish not only affects the aesthetic but also the durability of the item, making it essential to select products that are appropriate for the intended use. In terms of specific project ideas, creating decorative wooden signs can be a delightful endeavor. These signs can carry meaningful quotes, family names, or inspirational messages. They are relatively simple to make and can be customized in various ways. Start by cutting a piece of wood into the desired size and shape. After sanding, you can either paint or use wood-burning techniques to transfer your chosen text onto the wood. This project allows for creativity in typography and color, making it an excellent option for personalizing your space. Another accessible project is crafting wooden planters. These can range from simple rectangular boxes to more intricate designs featuring dividers for multiple plants. Building a wooden planter allows you to practice basic construction skills while creating a functional item that can bring life into your home or garden. Start by cutting pieces of wood for the base, sides, and bottom. Assembling the box with screws or nails, followed by sanding and finishing, will result in a beautiful planter that showcases your favorite plants or flowers. If you're looking for an item that combines functionality with decor, consider making wooden candle holders. These can be as simple or complex as you desire. A basic design involves cutting a block of wood and drilling holes to fit tea lights or larger candles. You might choose to leave the wood in its natural state, applying a clear finish to highlight its beauty, or you could paint it to match your decor. Candle holders can serve as centerpieces on dining tables or accent pieces on shelves, adding warmth and ambience to any room. For those interested in wall decor, creating a wooden wall art piece can be a rewarding project. This might involve assembling various shapes of wood into a visually striking design. Experimenting with different wood types can create contrast and texture in your art piece. After constructing the design, consider adding a splash of color with paint or leaving it natural for a rustic look. These wall art pieces can become focal points in a room, showcasing your craftsmanship and style. As you delve into these projects, the importance of safety cannot be overstated. Working with tools and materials requires proper precautions. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from sawdust and debris, and consider using ear protection if you're using loud machinery. Ensuring a clean and organized workspace will not only enhance safety but also improve efficiency as you craft your decor items. Once you've completed your handcrafted pieces, the next step is showcasing them. Arranging your decor thoughtfully can create an inviting atmosphere in your home. Consider the placement of each item. For example, a handmade wooden shelf can be both functional and decorative when styled with plants, books, or other artisanal objects. Layering different textures and heights can add visual interest and create a cohesive look. Beyond personal enjoyment, these handmade wooden crafts offer potential for sale. In recent years, there has been a growing appreciation for artisanal and handmade goods. Many consumers seek unique items that reflect individuality and craftsmanship. If you decide to sell your creations, consider photographing them in well-lit environments to highlight their features. Online platforms such as Etsy or local craft fairs provide excellent opportunities to reach customers who value handmade decor. Marketing your wooden crafts involves telling a story about each piece. Sharing the inspiration behind your projects, the materials used, and the crafting process can resonate with potential buyers. Engaging with your audience through social media can build a community around your work, inviting feedback and fostering connections with fellow crafters and customers. As you continue to explore the world of woodworking, consider the impact of sustainability. Sourcing wood from reclaimed materials or responsible suppliers can set your crafts apart while also appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Incorporating upcycled wood into your projects not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to your creations. In conclusion, the realm of easy handmade wooden craft projects for decor is vast and inspiring. From crafting decorative signs to building functional furniture, each project offers an opportunity for personal expression and creativity. The satisfaction of transforming raw materials into beautiful decor items is unmatched, providing a sense of accomplishment that goes beyond the final product. Whether you choose to decorate your own home or venture into selling your creations, woodworking can be a fulfilling and enjoyable pursuit. Embrace the journey, explore new techniques, and let your imagination guide you in creating stunning wooden decor that reflects your unique style. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.